Well, a couple of months ago, I had the chance of meeting two beautiful ladies, and they introduced me to a word that set me thinking on a different level. The word was quaternary. Till then, believe me, all I knew was quarter, as in 1/4 of anything. It could be quarter, a room or house, and quarter as a piece of money. I really had limited knowledge. And then, this word came into my life and changed everything. So while these two ladies kept on talking enthusiastically about quaternary and Inqua 2027, I was still trying to figure out what quaternary actually was. And I did not have to wait long for the real meaning, because one of them turning towards me asked, "Veera, do you know what quaternary is?" I shook my head, and then they simplified and explained what quaternary means. Hi, this is Veera, unlocking a whole new world of exciting stories of human evolution since modern man came into existence. Well, humans are the most privileged creations existing on this earth. But do we really know all that is to know about us? We, the modern humans, have been walking on this planet for about 300,000 years. But before everything, let me explain in simple words what quaternary is. You know, the quaternary is the time period that starts from 2.58 million years ago to the present. It is the age since when modern recognizable humans started inhabiting this planet. All over the world, scientists are engaged in studying this time period known as quaternary and various aspects of human evolution in this phase. Not only do they study and research, but once every 4 years, scientists from all across the globe gather at one place and exchange their researches, discoveries, and views about the quaternary. And now coming to Inqua. Inqua is the International Union for Quaternary Research, which was founded in 1928 by a group of scientists seeking to improve understanding of environmental change during the glacial ages through interdisciplinary research. Well, Inqua's basic goal is to promote improved communication and international collaboration in experimental and applied aspects of quaternary research in order to contribute in practical ways to an evolution of the scale and rates of global environmental changes during the recent geological past. So if I have to explain it in very simple language, Inqua's basic goal is to promote communication, which means scientists from all across the world communicate with each other and they share their findings and they try to find layers and layers of environmental changes during our recent geological past. You got it? Inqua considers that a deep knowledge of global developments during the past 2.5 million years, that is, the quaternary geological period, provides the essential template for assessing the significance of current and predicted global environmental shifts. Which means whatever changes have taken place during this phase, the scientists are trying very hard to get to the bottom of everything. The quaternary period witnessed the evolution of modern humans against a backdrop of recurrent advance and retreat of glaciers and continental ice sheets, major oscillations in global sea level, abrupt reorganizations of global meteorological and oceanographic circulation patterns, and a range of other physical and biological adjustments to climate change. Now again, putting it very simply, I must tell you that scientists are studying right now how the glaciers went back and then they advanced, and how the ice sheets moved, and what happened when sea level went up and suddenly went down. And all this happened because of abrupt reorganization of global meteorological and oceanographic circulation patterns. And there were other things also like physical and biological adjustments to climate change. Today, more than 46 member countries spread throughout the world contribute to Inqua's vitality. Inqua's basic goal that is, promoting improved communication and international collaboration in basic and applied aspects of quaternary research, is achieved mainly through the activities of its commissions and committees. And I can proudly say that India is one of these 46 members, and in 2027, Lucknow in India has the honor of hosting this Congress. And I, being a resident of Lucknow, feel extremely honored to be a part of this prestigious and grand event. For those who are wondering as to why talk about an event that is set for 2027, well, here's the answer. It is no small feat that we got the opportunity to host this mega event. Hence, it is our responsibility to make people aware of INQUA and India's contribution to this association. Through this podcast, INQUA India, I, Veera, will be taking you on an amazing journey about human evolution, changing climate, and reorganization of environments that took place in the Quaternary. Thank you for listening to this podcast and watch out for the next episode. Let's travel all across India and know about the scenario in the Quaternary. Till we meet again, you take good care of yourself.